definitely giving supportive husband. I asked him to move one thing. He ended up like cleaning the whole room and vacuuming right before I made the video. We love to see it. Somebody slept without her bonnet last night, and I think I know who it is. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to admit that, but you know what? The truth will set you free, and I think it happens to all of us sometimes. That's not good. It's not good. But you know what? There's no excuse. I don't know why I did it, but I did it. And now we look like this. So we're just gonna try to refresh it. We're gonna do our best to try to fix it, right? Okay, so let's start with, we have to like separate. I gotta work in sections. Before I start really getting into my hair and separating it with my fingers, I'm just gonna lightly coat some oil on my, the oil I used was not coating anything. It was like not slippery. They kind of more easily separate. I'm just gonna lightly spray this. I don't want this fully saturated at all. And then I'm gonna use the Rizzo Curls Refresh and Detangle Spray. I really like this. Bounce Curl Define brush. Start at the end. This is an awesome brush, and I know a lot of people use it for the style of it, because instead of finger curling, you could just use these sides. Use that brush for that intended purpose, but I do really like the brush as just like a, it's not, I don't even think technically it's a detangling brush, but that's what I use it for, and that's okay. That's my business. The rest of it, you can see the curls are still in there. I'm just gonna kind of pull them apart. Okay. This would be a good time too, if you need it, like to put that oil, rosemary oil, whatever oil you have, just on your ends as well. You might as well just refresh them while you're here. Okay, I think we're good here on this bottom layer. I still left some. That's gonna give me volume. This is gonna be the real work. I'm just gonna start going through, and again, just finding pieces that I'm like, they need help. On to this section. Okay, that was like continuously continuous. That was a lot. From here, I start, instead of like finger curling down, I do that, but I do it kind of forward. I want everything to be falling forward because I do have some bangs, and I want that volume to be up front and center. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side, and then we'll dry and kind of do some finishing products. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my Pattern Beauty blow dryer diffuser, and I'm gonna put it on probably like medium heat and medium. I literally had a brain fart. I could not like speak English, and what do you call that? I couldn't remember what anything was called. Power? Sorry. Okay, so hair is mostly dry now. I just need to do some finishing touches, which is fluffing it out, which is my absolute favorite part. I kind of lift it up too, and then get under. See like the difference? I love it. Okay, let's do this side. And then I go underneath. Okay, and then lastly, I'm just gonna take this dry conditioning nourishing mist. Is that what it is? Yeah, from Pantene. I don't know how conditioning it is, but it smells so good. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I really love it. Like I said, I like when it's super big. If that means I have to have some frizz, that is perfectly fine with me. Yeah, so hopefully I'll get better about posting because I just have not been. And I want to a lot more. And we're just going to continue. As I said, I still have some damaged pieces, but I'm just going to continue on this journey and hopefully I can get my hair back to what it once was and even better.